Holy shit!
Oh my God!
Oh my!
Dig him, son. Dig him. Go over there.
Loosen up on the drag, Todd.
Loosen up on the drag, son. Need another
Take
gaff.
the other
quick.
gaff.
All right, give him the other gaff, quick. Go between, go under the door. Under the door. Okay, gaff the third
Grab
gaff.
the other gaff.
There's
Grab the other
not a
gaff.
third
Yeah,
one.
want me to grab it?
Right there.
Right here,
Not
right
the
here,
little
right
one,
here.
the other one.
Under the gun.
The other one.
The other one, right side, behind.
Big gaff, other
There
side.
you go.
Right there.
By your feet.
There you go. Underneath. Take that off. Billy, grab the blue, grab the brown one, Billy.
Take him right in the head, through the door. Oh, through the door, in the head. There you go.
Good job, Todd.
Grab that one.
All right, pull him
Here,
in.
set them right down. I got it.
Pull him in.
Hold on.
Okay, all right.
All right, you boys get ready. Go ahead, pull.
Pull, heave. Pull. Pull. Back and drag arm control. Back
Holy shit! Awesome! Awesome!
Get a picture of that, Todd. Send to you.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.